Sure. How to find the least common denominator?
Okay? So, padyak, sagapan natin ang least common denominator. So, the first denominator is 4. Okay, so 4, 8, 12. Next, 3. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, 12 plus 3, 15. So, makita talaga na common sa dalawa ka denominator, and that is 12. So, therefore, our common denominator here is 12. Okay. So, kung nakita ng common denominator, pwede rin natin ma-add ang dalawa ka dissimilar fraction. Okay. So, kung mag-add, common denominator, divide sa first na denominator. So, 12 divide 4, 3. 3 times 3, 9. 12 divide 3, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Okay, copy the addition. 9 plus 8 equals, okay, 9 plus 8 equals 17 over 12. Okay, so 17 over 12, we can reduce our answer to the lowest term. 17 divided by Saluhan natin. Saluhan natin si 17. Okay. So, 17 divide 12. Okay, so 1, 12. Okay, 17 minus 12, 5. Okay, so our answer is 1, 5. Ang 1, di dyan nagalin sa quotient. Ang 5, di dyan halin sa ating remainder over the divisor 12. So, di dyan nagalin ang 12. Okay, so our final answer is 1 and 5 over 12. So, another one. So, ano ang common denominator ni 6 kag 5? Okay, sagapan natin. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Okay, 5. 5, 10, 15, 6, 15, wrong, 20, 25, 30. Okay, diyan kita nagkita ay kay 30. So, therefore, the LCD is 30. 30 divides 6. So, 5. 5 times 5, 25. Plus 30 divide 5, 6. 6 times 3, 18. So, 18 plus 5. 8 plus 5, 13. Okay, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 43 over 30. Okay. Reduce to the lowest term. 43 divided by 30. 1 times 30, 30. Okay, subtract. Okay, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. So, our final answer is 1/13 over 30. Okay.
Kung dyan nakabulig kanimo, pinduta ang like, share, and follow para updated ikaw sa sunod natin nga mga topiko. Durugid nga salamat!